Okay, so our next topic is about derivative of a quotient, no? So for example, we have a quotient u over b, yung kanyang derivative by b du over b du dx less u db over dx divided by b square, or para mas simple, the derivative of u over b is equal to b u prime less u b prime over b square. Okay, so ito lang yung kailangan naman nating tandaan dyan na formula. Okay, example 1, y equals x plus 2 over 3x. So find, for example, find y prime. So we let u equals x plus 2. So u prime natin is equal to 1. And yung b natin ay yung nasa baba, 3x. And ang b prime natin is equal to 3. Okay? So following the derivative of a quotient, u over b is equal to v u prime less u b prime divided by b square. Okay, so sundan lang natin yan. Ang y prime is equal to b. Ano yung b natin? 3x. Okay, multiply it by u prime. Ang u prime natin ay 1 less u. Ang u natin ay x plus 2. And then b prime is 3 divided by b square. Ang b square, ang b natin ay 3x. So square natin to. Yan. Then 3x magiging negative 3x less 6, no? Divided by 9x square. Okay? So magiging negative 6x. Tama ba? Cancel pala to. Sorry. Magka-cancel pala to. Positive tsaka negative. Ang may iwan ay negative 6 over 9x square. Or kung sisimplify natin, ay magiging divide natin ng 3. Simplify, magiging 2 over 3x square. Okay? Ayan. So, simplify natin, magiging 2 over 3. So, yan yung derivative ng sample number 1. Okay? So, sample number 2 natin. Okay, yan. So, y is equal to 2x plus 3 over x minus 3. Find y prime. Okay? So, we let u equals yung nasa taas, 2x plus 3. And then, ang u prime natin is equal to 2. Then, yung b natin is x minus 3. Ang b prime natin is equal to 1. Okay? So, derivative of a quotient, no? Derivative ng u over b is equal to, so y prime equals u over b prime is equal to v u prime less u b prime over b square. So y prime is equal to v. Ano ba yung v natin? X minus 3. Okay? So yan yung b. U prime. Ang u prime natin ay 2. Okay, minus u. Ang u natin ay yung nasa taas, 2x plus 3. And then b prime is 1 divided by b square. Ano ba yung b natin? X minus 3. So square pa natin yan. Okay? And then magiging 2x, expand natin, 2x less 6. Tapos ito, less 2x less 3 divided by x less 3 square. Okay? So magiging, magka-cancel to, no? Positive tsaka negative. So magiging negative 9 over x less 3 square. Okay, may sisimplify pa ba yan? Hindi na. Kaya, yan na yung ating sagot. Okay? Another example. Let f of x is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x minus 2. Okay? So, pwede nating find f prime of x. Okay? So, we let u equals x square plus 1. And then u prime is 2x, diba? 2x plus 0. So, ang derivative ng x square is 2x. Ang 1 ay 0. And then, ang b natin is x minus 2. So, ang b prime natin is 1. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa formula for the derivative ng u over b is equal to u prime less u b prime over b square. So, f prime of x is equal to v, x minus 2. And then, u prime, ang u prime natin ay 2x less u, x square plus 1. And then, b prime is 1 divided by b square, which is x minus 2. Then, square pa natin yun. Okay, so magiging magiging 2x square less 4x, no? And then less x square less 1. Ano ba? Okay. Then x less 2 square. Okay. So, combine like terms. So, 2x square tapos negative x square magiging x square na lang yan. Less 4x less 1 over x less 2 square. So, pwede pa ba nating simplify yan? Wala na, no? So, actually, hindi na natin may factor yung x square less 4x less 1. No? So, therefore, f of prime of x is equal to x square less 4x less 1 all over x less 2 square. O, yan, yung ating final answer for sample number 3. Okay, so more problems para mas maintindihan. Example number 4. Okay, so y equals 3x squared plus 2 divided by 3x cubed less 2. So, ang u natin ay yung nasa numerator. So, 3x squared plus 2. Okay, so u prime equals 3 multiplied by the derivative of x squared is 2x plus 0. No? So, magiging 6x. Yung b naman natin, that is 3x cubed less 2. So, b prime is 3 multiplied by yung derivative ng x cube is 3x square. Okay, less 0. So, magiging 9x square. Yan. So, derivative ng u over b is equal to bu prime less ub prime divided by b square. Okay, ang b natin, so y prime is equal to, ang v natin ay 3x cube less 2 multiplied by u prime. Ang u prime natin ay 6x minus u. Ang u natin ay 3x square plus 2 multiplied by b prime 9x square. Yan, sinusundan lang natin to. Yung b natin ay ito, yung u prime natin ay ito, yung u natin ay ito, and then ang b prime natin ay yon. And then yung b natin, b square sa baba, 3x cube less 2 square. Okay? So let us expand. So magiging 6 times 3 is 18. And then x raised to 4. Less 6 times 2 is 12. Then x less 3 times 9 is 27. And then x raised to 4. Kasi mag-a-add yung kanilang exponent, no? Balikan natin yung lowest of exponent. Okay? Minus 9 times 2 is 18. So 18x square divided by 3x cube less 2 square. Okay, so combine like terms. So 18 saka 27 magiging 18 less 27 is negative 9x raised to 4. Okay, tapos less 18x square less 12x divided by 3x cubed less 2 square. Ayan, pwede pa bang i-simplify yan? Check natin kung pwede pang i-simplify, no? Okay? So, factor out natin subukan natin factor out si x tsaka si 3, no? So, y prime equals, factor out natin si negative 3. Tama ba? Tama. Negative 3 tapos x. Okay? So, magiging 9 x raised to 3. And then si 18, 6 x tapos si 12, 4. Okay? Yan. All over 3x cubed less 2 square. Pwede pa bang i-simplify yon? Pwede pa bang i-factor out yon? Parang hindi naman na ata, no? Check natin kung pwedeng i-simplify pa yung nasa numerator. Okay, so I think hindi na ma-i-simplify yung nasa numerator natin. So that will be the final answer na, no? Okay, yan. So next problem, yung merong naman, square root. Subukan natin yung merong square root, no? Example number 5, hanap tayo ng problem na merong square root. Okay, ito. For example, g of x is equal to square root of x over x square plus 1. So, find g prime of x. Okay? Ayan. So, we let u equals x raised to 1/2. So, u prime natin is 1/2 x raised to 1/2 less 1, di ba? Which is ang 1 natin is 2 over 2. Okay, so magiging 1 over 2x raised to 1/2, no? Okay? Then, ang v natin ay x square plus 1. So, b prime is 2x. Okay? So, u over b prime equals vu prime less ub prime over b square. So, g prime of x is equal to v. Ang v natin ay x square plus 1. And then, ano ang u prime natin? Ang u prime natin ay 1 over 2 square root of x. Okay, minus. Ang u natin ay square root of x times yung b prime natin ay 2x divided by b square. Ang b natin ay x square plus 1. Then, square natin ito. Okay. And then, kunin natin yung common denominator ng numerator. Simplify natin. So, g of prime x equals common denominator ay 2 square root of x, no? So, magiging ito ay x square plus 1. Okay. And then, less square root of x times, simplify pala natin yon. Simplify na pala natin yon. 2x square root of x. Multiply natin ito ng 2 square root of x. Tama ba? Tignan natin. So, cross multiply. Punta doon. Copy lang yon. Tapos 2x square root of x. So, ayan. Divided by x square plus 1 square. So, simplify. Magiging x square plus 1. Tapos, magiging 4. Less 4x and then x na lang to. Kasi nga, square root of x times square root of x is equal to x, no? Ayan. Sige. Then, yung 2 natin, tapos yung 2x dito, naging 4x na siya. Then, 2 square root of x. Yan, ibababa na natin dito, sasama na natin dito. And then, x square plus 1 square. Okay, so simplify, magiging negative 3 Tama, negative 3. Kasi magiging 4x square to. So, negative 3 x square plus 1 all over 2 square root of x and then x square plus 1 square. Pwede pa bang i-simplify ito? Parang wala na, no? Wala na. Hindi na pwedeng i-simplify yan. So, g prime of x equals, tingnan natin, pwede pa bang simplify ito? Hindi na, no? Okay, so that is the answer. Or pwede rin naman nating unahin yung positive, no? Pwede rin ganitong gawin natin. Yan. So unahin natin yung 1. Pwede rin, no? 1 less, ganyan. 3x square. Para mas magandang tignan, no? Una yung positive. O, pwede rin naman, no? Ayan. Sige. Wala namang pagkakaiba. Parehas lang naman yan. Inuna lang natin yung positive. So, example number 6. Ayan, madami tayong sample para mas maintindihan, no? So, y equals x square over x cube plus 4 quantity raised to 5. Okay? So, we let u equals x square and then u prime equals 2x. And then yung b natin is x cube plus 4 raised to 5. Pabalikan natin yung ating power formula. Yung exponent magiging coefficient and then kopyahin yung nasa loob. And then magma-minus tayo ng exponent magiging 4 na to. Multiply it by yung derivative ng nasa loob which is 3x square. Okay, so simplify. 15x square then x cube less 4 raised to 4. Okay, so yan yung ating b prime. Okay? Derivative ng u over b ulit is equal to b, u prime less u, b prime over b square. Okay? So, y prime equals b. Ano yung b natin? X cube less 4 raised to 5. And then, ang u prime natin ay 2x minus u, x square yung ating u, and then ang b prime natin ay 15x square x cube plus 4 raised to 4 divided by b square. So, x cube plus 4 raised to 5 tapos raised to 2 pa. Ayan. Sige. So, let us simplify. Expand natin to. May simplify pa ba to? Naka-raised to 5 pala yun. Unahin na lang natin si 2x. Okay? Raised to 5 and then ito, pwede pa bang i-simplify ito? Ang haba naman, no? So, magiging 15x raised to 4 and then x cube less 4 raised to 4 divided by, magiging 10 na to, no? X cube less 4 raised to 10. Ayan. Ito na lang pala, factor out pala natin to, no? Ayan. Factor out na lang pala natin yon. Okay? So, ang mangyayari niyan, magiging ganito siya. Factor out natin si x. X tsaka si ito, no? So, x tapos x cube less 4 raised to 4 magiging 2, di ba? 2 ito and then x cube less 4. Okay? Yung exponent niya magiging 1 na lang less 15x cube. Okay? Ayan. Divided by x cube less 4 raised to 10. So, mawawala to, no? Makakancel yan. Ito mapapalitan ng 6. Okay? Kasi 10 less 4 is equal to 6. So, ayan. So, yung magiging final answer natin, magiging y prime pala dapat to, is equal to x multiplied by 2x cube plus 4 less 15x raised to 3. Okay, all over x cube less 4 raised to 6. So, yan yung ating final answer for example problem 6. So, di ba? Or subukan nga nating i-expand, baka pwede pa. Baka mayroon pang mas simple. Sige, balik natin, magiging 2x and then x cube less 4 less 15x raised to 4 over x cube less 4 raised to 6. Sige nga, so magiging 2x raised to 4. Ayun, pwede pa pala, no? Less 8x less 15x raised to 4 over, pwede pa palang i-combine yun, less 4 raised to 6. Okay? But anyway, pagdating dito, tama naman na to, no? Check mo na yan, no? Meron ka ng puntos dyan. Pero kung pwede pang gawan ng paraan para ma-simplify, why not? So, magiging 15 ito, tapos yun ay 2, magiging 13 na lang, no? So, negative 13 x raised to 4, okay, less 8x, tama ba? Over x cube less 4 raised to 6. Wait nga, check na natin. Okay, so tama naman siya. So, tanggalin na lang natin yung negative sign sa dalawang i-separate na lang natin, magiging ganito yan para mas magandang tignan. Less 8x over x cube 4 then raised to 6. So, ayan, mas magandang tignan kapag ganyan. Okay? Ayan, so that is for example number 6. Pwede pa? Example number 7. Sige. Mas madami, mas maganda, no? Mas maintindihan. Okay, so yan. So, sa natin, sa denominator natin, meron na tayong dalawa, no? Okay, yan. So, paano naman kapag ganyan? Ang gawin natin, same process lang, no? Gawin lang nating derivative of a product ito. Okay, so balang mangyayari ganito. Kunin muna natin yung derivative ng u. Ang u natin is equal to 3x square plus 2, no? And then, ang u prime natin is u prime is equal to 6x. Tama ba? Yan. Ngayon, yung b natin, dalawa eh. Ang b natin ay 2x plus 4 and then x cube plus 1. Take note na ito ay product. Ngayon, i-apply natin yung product natin. Okay? So, b prime equals, ano na ulit yung derivative ng product? U times b equals b u prime plus u b prime, no? Okay, so b prime is equal to ito times yung derivative niyan. Tama ba? Baliktad. Ito pala. Okay, parang gawin na lang natin ay sige, gawin na lang natin na ganito, no? Saan kaya yung eraser dito? Wala naman na yung eraser. Okay, gawin na lang natin na ito ay si A, then ito naman ay si B. Okay? Ang derivative ng AB is equal to B A prime plus A B prime. Okay? So B prime is equal to B, ano yung B natin? X cube plus 1. Okay? Times yung derivative ng A prime natin, derivative nito is 2, di ba? Okay? Plus A. Okay, ang A natin ay 2x plus 4. And then, ang B prime natin, ang derivative ng x cube plus 1 is 3x square. Yun, sige, delete ko na yung part na to, ha. Okay? Delete ko na yung part na yan. So, simplify. B prime natin is 2, x cube plus 1 plus magiging 6x cube, tama ba? 6x cube plus 12x x square. Simplify pa natin to. 2x cube plus 2. So plus 6x cube plus 12x square. Okay, so mahaba rin pala yung b prime natin, no? So b prime is equal to combined like terms, yung may cube na dalawa, so magiging 8x cube tapos plus 12x square less 2. So yan yung ating b prime. Okay, so balik na tayo dito sa derivative ng quotient. So y prime equals or balik tayo dun sa formula ng u over b prime equals b u prime less u b prime over b square, no? Okay, so y prime equals v. Ano yung v natin? Itong dalawa na to. Yan. So yan yung v natin. 2x plus 4 then x cube plus 1. Take note, b pa lang yan, no? And multiply it by u prime. Ang u prime natin ay 6x. So, diba? Ang haba, no? Less. Basta sundan nyo lang yung formula. No? And then, ang u natin ay 3x square plus 2. And then, b prime. O yun, ang haba ng b prime natin. Use ko. Ayan. So, 8x cube plus 12x square plus 2 divided by, alright, tanga ba? V square, ano ba yung V natin ulit? Ito ata yung V natin. Ang V natin ay ito, tapos i-square pa natin yon, no? Ang V natin ay 2x plus 4 multiplied by x cube plus 1 and then i-square pa natin daw to. Yan. Okay? Sige. Tuloy. Expand natin. Baka may makancel dyan mamaya, no? Expand natin. Magiging ano kaya to? So, ito. Naku, Diyos ko. Ang haba, no? Aha. So, ito muna. I-multiply muna natin itong dalawa na to. Okay. Itong dalawang to. Ayan. Yung 6x, so ilagay muna natin dito. So, multiply it by 2x tapos x cube, so magiging 2x raised to 4 and then 2x times negative 1, so negative 2x. Okay, tapos plus 4x cube less 4. Okay, and then dito, Diyos ko ang haba, minus, ayan, yung 3 natin i-multiply natin dito. So, magiging 24x raised to 5. And then, yung 3 natin, multiply natin dito sa 12. So, plus 36x raised to 4. Then, yung 3 natin, multiply natin dito, magiging negative 6x square. Next, yung 2. Oh, plus, yung 2 natin, multiply natin dito sa 8x cube. So, 16x cube, okay? Tapos yung 2 natin, i-multiply natin dito sa 12x square. So, magiging 24x square. Then, yung 2 sa negative 2, magiging negative 4. Ayan, ang haba. Divided by 2x plus 4. And then, x cube less 1. And then, naka-square pa yan. Next, itong buong to, expand natin. Yan. So, magiging 6 times 2 is 12. X raised to 5. Then, less 12. 12x square. Okay, plus 24x raised to 5. Less 24x. Okay, then labas na natin yun yung mga dito. Negative 24x raised to 5. Negative 36x raised to 4. So, magiging positive ito. Okay, kasi positive times positive, negative times negative is positive. Okay, 6x square. Tapos, negative 16x cube. Tapos, negative 24x square plus 4. Ayan. Oh, Diyos ko. Ang Haba, no? Divided by, mahaba lang yan, pero yung process, basta alam nyo yung process, no? 2x plus 4, x cubed less 1, and then square pa natin yan. Okay. Combine like terms. Yung 5 natin, 12, tsaka ito, so magiging negative 12, x raised to 5. Next, yung 4 natin. Meron pa pala dito, no? Wait lang, cancel pala dapat to, no? Ito. Meron tayong 24x raised to 5 dito. Tama ba? 5 ba to? 12x, 4 lang to dapat. Okay, so 4 lang to. Ito, 6 times 4, 24. Cube yun, tapos x yun. Yan, sige. So, 5. Tapos ito, 5. Wala naman ng ibang 5. Wala na, no? So, negative 12x raised to 5. Tapos, 4. Mayroon tayong 24 dito. Tapos, negative 36, no? So, aray ko. So, yan ay negative 12, no? Negative 12x raised to 4. So, okay na tayo. Tapos na tayo dito kay 4, tsaka sa may 5. So, tanggalin na natin, no? Tanggalin na natin itong mga to para hindi tayo malito. Ayan. Next, cube. Ang cube natin, nag-iisa. Ito lang, 16 lang ang cube natin. So, negative 16x cube. Tapos, x square natin, meron tayong 6. So, 6. Tapos, ito, 24. So, magiging negative 18 na yan. Tapos, meron ka pang negative 12 dito. So, yun yan. That is 30, no? So, negative 30x square and then x. Nag-iisa yung si 24. Negative 24x. Tapos, si 4 nag-iisa. Alright. Ang haba. And then, 2x plus 4 and then x cubed less 1 tapos naka-square pa to. Yan. Tapos, pwede pa bang i-simplify ito? Ang haba-haba naman, no? Hindi ko lang alam kung pwede pang i-simplify yan. Okay? Pwede naman yung 4, no? Hindi pwede kasi may 30 dito. Okay, so yan yung derivative natin. Basta tandaan nyo lang yung formula natin ng u over b. Okay? Sige, let us try more example. Pangilang example na ba? Example number 6 to, number 8 na tayo. 7 pala yan. So example 8. So let y equals x squared over square root ng, halimbawa lang, no? X squared plus 2. Yan, para may iba naman. Okay? So, we let u equals x squared. So, ang u prime natin is x squared u prime is 2x. Then, ang v natin is x squared plus 2 raised to 1/2. Papalitan na lang natin para maiba naman. 3 pala yun. Okay? Lagyan na lang natin ng 3 yun. So, magiging 1 over 3 ito. Okay? B prime is exponent, gawing coefficient, 1/3. Tapos, kopyahin yung nasa loob. And then, magmaminus tayo ng 1 sa exponent. Less 3 over 3. Multiply it by yung derivative nung nasa loob. That is 2x. So, magiging 2x over 3 and then 2 over 3 to, no? Kasi tama, negative 2 over 3, so ibababa na lang natin siya. Kasi nga x square plus 2 raised to, ano to? Raised to negative 2 over 3. Okay, kapag ilagay natin sa baba yung denominator niya ay yung exponent niya magiging positive, no? So, laws of exponent, balikan lang natin yung ating algebra. So, magiging x square plus 2, then 2 over 3. Okay, so yan yung b prime natin. So, u over b prime is equal to bu prime less ub prime over b square. So, y prime is v. Ano yung v natin? X square plus 2 raised to 1/3. Okay, multiplied by u prime. Ano yung u prime natin? 2x. So, 2x plus u, x square. And then, ang b prime natin is 2x over 3. And then, x square plus 2 raised to 2 over 3. So, bracket pala dapat to. And then, b square, x square plus 2 raised to 1/3. And then, square pa pala natin yan. Ayan. Alright. Rock and roll. And then, anong sunod? So, y prime equals, taas natin ng konti. Iyan. Sige. Kunin natin yung common denominator. Ano ba yung common denominator nung nasa numerator natin? That is 3. Tapos, x square plus 2 raised to 2 over 3. So, multiply natin dito. Ayan. Dito sa may part na to. So, 2x multiplied by x raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 1/3 times. Ito, multiply natin to yung denominator, yung common denominator. Tapos, x square plus 2 raised to 2 over 3 minus, okay, itong nasa second term natin, x, magiging ano na to pala, 2x cube, no? 2x cube. Okay, so mawawala na rin to kasi yan naman yung kanyang, parehas naman yung denominator, no? 2x cube divided by x square plus 2 raised to 2 over 3 na pala to, no? Kasi nga 1/3 yon, tapos mayroon kang 2 dyan. Multiply mo lang yung exponent, no? Tapos, pag-plusin natin yung exponent nito, tsaka yan, magiging 1, di ba? 1/3 plus 2/3 is 1. So, mawawala na yung exponent. Magiging 1 na lang siya. So, y prime equals, parang ganito, oh, a raised to 1/3 times a raised to 2/3 is equal to, magsasam yung exponent nila, 3 over 3, di ba? So, magiging a na lang siya. Okay? Ayan. Oops, na-erase. Ito. So, mawawala na yung exponent ng dalawang to, magiging, ito, multiply pala natin to, tsaka to, magiging 6x, and then, matatanggal na yung exponent. Ayan, na siya, less 2x cube over x square plus 2 raised to 2 over 3. Okay, yan. And then, expand. Magiging 6x cube plus 12x. Tama ba? Yes. 6x cube times 6x less 2x cube over x square plus 2 raised to 2 over 3. Yan. Dapat yung equal sign nakatapat dito sa may, yan. Sige, so magiging 4, tama? X cube plus 12x. Okay? Divided by x square plus 2 raised to 2 over 3. So, y prime, pwede ba nating factor out yung 4? Yes, pwedeng factor out yung 4, tsaka x, no? 4x. Ang may iwan sa loob ay, so, magiging x square, tama ba? tapos plus 3. Ayun. Then x square plus 2 raised to 2 over 3. Okay. So, yan. Actually, ito, pwede na rin to, no? Pwede na mo na rin sagot yan. Sinubukan lang nating, factor out yung 4x. Baka kasi parehas ito, tsaka yan. Baka sakali lang, pero hindi naman pala. Okay? So, that's all for the derivative of a quotient. Thank you for watching.